The battlefield is alive with the sound of conch shells, and the stage is set for war. The conch of Krishna, Panchajanya, blares through the sky. The sound shakes the earth and the hearts of all warriors. The divine voice of Krishna resonates across the field. Then Arjuna's conch, Devdatta, echoes loud and clear. The Pandavas stand ready, their hearts resolute, a sign of strength and unity for the Pandavas. Following them, Yudhishthira blows Anandavijaya, signaling courage. The war is about to begin. The sound of righteousness fills the air. Next, Bhima's mighty conch, Poundra, fills the air with power. The warriors stand firm, their spirits unshaken. The roaring sound of battle approaches. As the conchs blast, Nakula and Sahadeva follow suit, their conchs sounding, Sagosa and Manapushpaka. The battle has begun. The earth trembles and the sky rages.